We've got a lot of questions on the Facebook Pirateland fan page of what's new at Pirateland. So what we're about to show you is a brand new gazebo that they put up with a handicap accessible ramp. An extra one. They've got one on one end, so I'm assuming they went ahead and put one on this end. I'm gonna let Bunny B put me off right here, and I'll walk around and show you the gazebo, brand new. Still have wood laying around. Alrighty. Now it's still under construction, but you can access the beach. Smell that new wood smell. And in case you don't know exactly where we are, we're right on Market Street in the campground. Right straight across the street. Hello, how are you doing? Pretty good, just filming. They got the pergola top. It's pretty spacious. I'm assuming when they're through, they'll put benches in here. We'll give you an update once it's complete. Now it looks like they're going to put a top all the way out here to the ocean. Let's take a walk out here on the beautiful white sands. Always remember to keep off the dunes. That is a law. And we here at Pirateland love our dunes because it stops the ocean from coming across. And it is a beautiful day out here in Pirateland in Myrtle Beach. Lots of people for this time of year. All right, coming off the nice beach sand. So it looks like they're going to bring the ramp down here a little bit further. There's some debris left over from the last deck. There's people already enjoying it. Hopefully they'll push these piles of dirt up here near the dunes, give us a little bit more barrier break. This is coming right off the main road So you see how far it is down on this side. It's not actually on the very end, it's kind of in the middle. So hopefully they may do the same way down there on the other end. We're right here on Market Street. All the way down, back to the front. Or actually back to the pool. Here's the remainder of the wood. Some scrap pieces. And some more on this side. So it looks like they're going to be building a lot more. All right, thank you everyone for watching this short film for what's new at Pirateland. If you want to see anything else, just leave it in the comments or let us know. And I hope that everybody gets back here safe and sound and has fun this summer.